Hello folks, and welcome to another video. My name is Jasmine, or DJ990J, and this is a weekly sketch video. It's been a long while since the last time I've made one of these, but here I am making one. While I was making this piece, I actually was kind of tipsy, so that's why I'm drawing a wine bottle. I'm also drawing in a watercolor sketchbook that I handmade myself, and I'm using Winsor & Newton Cotman watercolors for this piece. I just used a regular blue ballpoint pen for the line work. I just really needed to draw something, so I just drew the wine bottle that I had. I was actually thinking about drawing alcoholic beverages and turning them into stickers, or putting them on shirts or whatever. I think it would be interesting. I think the sticker one would be more interesting. I like the way they look, specifically if the sticker was made. Well, if the sticker looked like a watercolor piece. So I may or may not continue this. I might continue it. Also, right now, I'm still quite tipsy. But meh. This was actually kind of spontaneous on how I wanted to use watercolor. I actually wanted to use my water brush. However, I could not find it. I don't know what happened to it. So I may have to get another water brush. Which sucks because you know that costs money. At least they're not $10 or $20 per water brush. They're about $6 or $4 or something like that. But I might look around and figure out if I could find it. If not, then I would have to get another one. I actually kind of like the way this piece turned out. And I just might turn this into a print or a sticker. I also made little notes on the side of it as well, which I've been doing, well, I do this inside of this watercolor sketchbook specifically. I actually need to do that with all of my sketchbooks, where I could just get the shit out of my head on what I'm thinking about. It's very healthy to write down what's in your head. But yeah, and happy February. I don't know if I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day piece. I don't care about Valentine's Day. It's not a day that I celebrate too much because, I don't have anybody, but I can give myself chocolates and shit like that. I was actually thinking about making a different piece in regards to how I'm feeling rather than the alcoholic beverage that I consumed. But hey, at least it's something. I do feel a bit relieved about drawing something. Because the whole time that I was, I guess you would say, tipsy, I wanted to create something. Maybe next time, if I ever become tipsy again, I will draw what's in my head. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but I'll try next time. But in regards to this beverage is okay. It's a Moscato, I think it was Barefoot brand, but I don't know. I've tried another Moscato before, but I mean, again, it all tastes the same to me. I'm not much of an alcoholic beverage drinking person, so, well, I'm not much of a drinker, so I don't know. Not my cup of tea. Even though it's not a cup of tea, it's a bottle of alcohol. Lol. No, it's not funny. Fuck that. Anyway. I'm not reading drinks. But maybe I should. I don't know. Maybe I should put a rating on this. I give it... I give it a 6 out of 10. A 6 out of 10. It is cool. The reason why is because it's cheap. It was like only $4. I think it was like $4 or $5 for this Barefoot drink, and I'm like, why not? It's cheap. There's some other beverages that I want to try as well. Well, might as well be a rating beverages and drawing them. I should do it with tea, coffee, other stuff. I don't know. Ooh, that is definitely an idea. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for clicking in this video, and make sure to like, follow, sub, and all that mess. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.